Okay, guys, welcome back to Beauty Over 50. What you are looking at in front of you is a painting I am doing, working on another project actually. I got inspired by what I seen at the gallery, so I wanted to try my hand at this myself. It is not done. I didn't want to bore you guys with the while I was painting it, so I said I'm just gonna come and share what I've already done, and I will come back and show you guys the finished look once it is all the way completed. So I still have to do the glitter and put the cut glass on here. These are the colors basically of my living room, black, white, and gray. So I just, did the little brush strokes as you see them do. I looked at a couple of videos and they were saying it was all about the brush strokes. So I put some uh, metallic gold, silver, on top of the black and the gray down here, as you can see. So yeah, it's very, very huge. It's the size of my table. And another thing, as you guys are looking, probably wondering, yes, I do have a new setup for my makeup, and that's what it looked like once I do another makeup video. Yes, love the little cubby holes. But back to the DIY. Okay, guys. So I'm going to let this dry a little more, and then I'm going to go in with some glue and some glitter, silver glitter, and top it off with the cut glass from Michael's. So stay tuned, guys, and I will show you the finished results once I am done with this painting, that really, really caught my attention. So I wanted one to put on my wall in my living room so it can match the furniture of my living room and everything. So it is going to be gorgeous once the glitz and the glam is applied to all of this. Yes, it's a big canvas. Yes, and I'm loving the painting. So stay tuned, guys. um, Probably let this finish drying overnight, because when I put the glue on, I don't want the glue to, go, mess up the paint. So I'm just going to let it dry. So guys, yes, you guys will be seeing me make another makeup video very soon. But it's a couple of projects that I am trying to make to, make my living room a little bit more better. So just some things I'm taking on and see can I do it myself. So just stay tuned. I will be back very soon making my makeup videos. But hey, I'm gonna come on and show you the projects that I am making. So I will see you guys very, very soon. Keep your head up. Go for what you want. Speak your truth. And change starts with us, guys. All right, guys. I will come back and let you guys see the finished results. Bye-bye.